Hello dear learners, I am Renu Bhadoria, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce at the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. Here, I welcome you all in our another module of Business Law on the topic Expressly Declared Void Agreements. Before I begin with my topic, I would like to tell you what do you mean by a term contract. Any agreement that is enforceable by law is known as contract. But an agreement which are not enforceable by law is known as void agreements. Yes, this is our topic today, that is expressly declared void agreements. One of the essential requirements to form a contract that it should not be void. Section 20G of the Indian Contract Act lays down that an agreement not enforceable by law is said to be void. Why void? Because void agreements does not give rise to any legal consequences, as it is without any legal force. There are some agreements which are void ab initio. What is void ab initio? That is, there are such agreements which are not enforceable right from the beginning they are made. What are those agreements? Like agreements with minor, agreements with unsound mind person, or person which are disqualified by law. So agreements with such person are void agreements. Similarly, in addition to this, there are certain agreements which are expressly declared void agreements. Yes, so now we will see what are those agreements which are expressly declared void agreements. So first agreement that is expressly declared void agreement is agreement by or with incompetent parties. Who are incompetent parties? Incompetent parties are minors, person with unsound mind, and person disqualified by law. Any agreement with such person are expressly declared void agreements. Second agreement which is expressly declared void is agreement made under mutual mistake, where both the parties to an agreement are under a mistake as a matter of fact essential to the contract. It is said to be void. Mistake can be from both the side. It is known as bilateral mistake, which can be related to price, quantity, impossibility of performance. For example, X has two cars, a Fiat and a Maruti car. He agrees to sell his Fiat car to Y, who thinks of Maruti, because he does not know that X has two cars. And this is non-identical bilateral mistake. And this agreement is void because it is agreement with made under bilateral mistake. Third agreement, agreement made without consideration. What is consideration? Consideration in a contract means something in return, which is also known as quid pro quo, which means both the parties in a contract must get something in return. Then only the contract is valid. Otherwise, no consideration, no contract. Let's see the example. A promises for no consideration to give to B rupees 1000. This is a void agreement. Why? Because A is giving 1000 to B, but A is not getting anything in return. So such agreement is considered as void agreements. Next agreement, which is expressly declared void agreement, is agreement the object or consideration of which is unlawful. If the consideration or the object of an agreement is doing of such an act which is forbidden by law, then such agreement is expressly declared void agreements. Let's see the example. A promises to obtain for B an employment in a government organization, for which B promises to pay 1 lakh to A. Here, consideration is unlawful because it amounts to a bribe which is forbidden by law, and such agreements are void agreements. Next agreement that is expressly declared void agreement is agreement in restraint of marriage. Every individual enjoys the freedom to marry, and so, according to Section 26 of the Indian Contract Act, agreement in restraint of marriage of any person other than a minor is void. The restraint may be general or partial, but the agreement is void. And therefore, an agreement agreeing not to marry at all, or a certain person, or a class of person, or for a fixed period of time is considered as void agreements. Now let's see the example. A agrees with B for good consideration that she will not marry C. Now this agreement is restraint of marriage and it is void agreement. Next agreement that is expressly declared void agreement is agreement in restraint of trade. That means no one can stop anyone to do business because the Constitution of India guarantees the freedom of trade and commerce. That means no person is at liberty to deprive himself of the fruit of his labor, skill or talent by any contract that he enters into. For example, A and B carried on business of electronics in a same locality of Delhi. They too were rival shopkeepers. A was suffering losses due to competition from B. Therefore, A agreed that if B closed his business in that locality, he would pay rupees 10 lakhs to B. Here, B closed his business, but A failed to pay. Now, B cannot recover this amount because this agreement is void, it is restraint of trade. Next type of expressly declared void agreement is agreement in restraint of legal proceedings. Section 28 as amended by the Indian Contract Amendment Act 1996 declares that an agreement which prohibits a person from moving to the court of law in respect of any right arising from a contract is void. That means one cannot stop anyone to move to the court for legal proceedings. Let's see the example. X and Y enters into a contract of supply of certain goods. By an agreement, a condition is put on Y that he will not file any suit whatsoever if X is unable to supply goods. This agreement is void because it is restraint of legal proceedings. Next type of expressly declared void agreement is uncertain agreements. Agreements the meaning of which is not certain or capable of being made certain are void. Section 29, the law aims to ensure that the parties to a contract should be aware of the precise nature and their mutual rights and obligations under the contract. That is, if the words used by the parties are vague or indefinite, the law cannot enforce those agreements. Those agreements are void agreements. Now let's see the example. A agrees to sell to B 100 tons of oil. There is nothing whatsoever to show that what type of oil A intended to sell to B. The meaning is not certain in this example. Therefore, this is void agreement. Next, agreement to do impossible act. Law does not enforce those agreements which are impossible to perform. Therefore, an agreement to do an impossible act itself is void. Example, A agrees with B to discover treasure by magic. This agreement is void. Why? Because this is not possible to perform and it is void agreement. Last type of expressly declared void agreement is wagering agreements. What is a wager? Wager means bet. Something stated to be lost and won on the result of a doubtful issue. We can say wagering agreements are nothing but an ordinary betting agreements, or it is an agreement between two persons in which one person agrees to pay a certain sum of money to another person on the happening and non-happening of the future uncertain events. So, wagering agreements are void agreements. Example, A and B mutually agree that if it rains today, A will pay rupees 1000, and if it does not rain, B will pay rupees 10,000. So this is completely uncertain event, and such agreements are void agreements. There are some essentials of wagering agreements. Let's see. First, there must be promise to pay money or money's worth. Second, the promise must be conditional on an event happening or not happening. Third, the event must be an uncertain one. Fourth, each party must stand to win and lose under the terms of agreements. Fifth, no party should have a proprietary interest in the event. These are the essential of the wagering agreements. But there are some exceptions wagering agreements. What are they? Let's see. Commercial transactions, authorized lotteries, that is only government authorized lotteries, crossword puzzles, athletic competitions, chit fund schemes, horse race, and contract of insurance. These are also wagering agreements, but these are valid agreements. These are not considered as void agreements. So dear learners, I hope this module of business law helped you to understand the topic expressly declared void agreements. Thank you.